In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TurboTax on your Windows computer. To get started, go to install.turbotax.com in your web browser. If you have a physical installer disk instead, you can insert that into your computer and begin from there. Either option will take you to the installation process, so just use whichever method matches the version you purchased. Before moving on, make sure you have a stable internet connection if you're installing from the website, since you'll need to download the setup file and complete activation online. Once you're on the website, download the Windows installer file, which will be in .exe file. After the download finishes, open your downloads folder and look for that file there. In many cases, you can also open it directly from your browser's download bar or download list, but going through the downloads folder is a reliable option if you're not sure where it went. When you find the file, double-click it to launch the installer. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, choose the option that allows it to continue so the installation can begin. From there, follow the on-screen setup wizard. The installer will guide you through each stage, and in most cases, you can simply review the prompts and continue through them one by one. Take a moment to read each screen carefully so you know what the installer is doing and so you don't accidentally skip anything important. During setup, you'll be asked to sign into your Intuit account. This is a normal part of the process and helps connect the software to your purchase and activation details. After signing in, enter your 16-character license code exactly as it appears. Be careful when typing it in, especially with numbers and letters that may look similar. Accuracy here is important because even a small typo can prevent activation from going through. After entering the code, click Activate. At that point, TurboTax should verify your license and finish setting up the software on your computer. Depending on your system and internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to complete. Once activation is done, the program should be ready to use. And that's it. If you followed each part of the process carefully, TurboTax should now be installed, activated, and ready on your Windows PC.